Assalamualaikum and hi. So today we are going to learn the guidelines of using Web 2.0 Kahoot. So first thing first, if you are gonna join a game, you will click on this Kahoot link and enter the game pin provided by your teacher, uh, and maybe provided by any other people that host the Kahoot. But this time we will create a Kahoot. So click create a Kahoot and you are required to log in or sign up. So this is the page that you will be seeing. You can search for quizzes from other companies, other people, and try to answer them. But as a teacher, you want to make your own Kahoot or quiz. So the first things first is the home button. Home button on the left. So this is what home looks like. But as soon as you register your account just now, you will see this discover page first. So you can search for any Kahoot that you want. For example, arts. Alright. And then this is library. It is where all your Kahoot is stored. All the Kahoot that you've made, your draft here, and your favorites. Yeah. So you can change the view of your Kahoot also. And this is, for example, I want to edit my already existing Kahoot. So the question is like this and I will edit. Okay, so we want to create a Kahoot. So we click on create, right side, create a Kahoot, and you can start typing your question. There's only two types of question you can put, which is multiple choice and true or false. Other than that, you have to pay, but true or false is enough for reviewing a class or a subject. Okay, and this is your slides, and you can add slide also between all of the quizzes. It's only this template, the classic one. So if you don't want or you want to delete a page, you can delete it on this little button on the left. Alright, so you can change the themes, this button here. I'm sorry for the lag. Okay, so you can start type your question. For example, the first one, and then you type the second choice. So you need to click on the right answer to this question. That's all. If you want to add pictures or videos, you can. For example, I choose this photo. And for the next true or false question, alright, so imagine there's a picture here and I want the answer to be false. Okay, so you can add as many as you want, and the question that you can only choose between multiple answer or true or false, and the time limit is you can choose as well. and the points also, which one you would prefer. And we can duplicate the slides by using this button, duplicate. Okay, for example, I made 4 questions. Alright, by the way, when you are doing your question, it's already saved in your drafts, so you don't have to worry about it suddenly missing. Okay, so we have to, you can preview it if you want, how your question will looks like for the students. So we save, enter Kahoot title. Okay, our Kahoot is ready. We can share with others. Okay, we can test this Kahoot right now. So when your students play the Kahoot, it will look like this. They will enter the game pin here. For example, this is their phone. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Then start. So as for the student, they will choose from the screen. The screen will look like this, and us, the conductor, will look like this. Which means they are looking at our screen instead of there. Alright, so our Kahoot will be here on our library, listen, and you can assign this Kahoot, like give them time and date to, and give the link to them, and we can use these actions on the 3 dots. Maybe we want to share, we want to duplicate and delete. So when we want to just, for example, I want to start this Kahoot, I click start, and you choose whether it's a classic mode or team mode. Usually classic mode is the best because it's individual.
And the game pin will load here in the loading game pin. So the student will enter their pin on their mobile like I was demonstrating earlier.
Okay, so the reports is you can see the number of players and the date you did the Kahoot, and if you give an assignment you can see when the Kahoot ends. Alright, so that's about it. Thank you.